Hey beauties, I hope you're all well, you're having a great day. Today's video, as you've seen from the title, gonna be a quick review video. So I'm gonna be checking out the Revolution Pro Crystal Luxe face palette in rose fresco. So basically what they say, it's a trio of highlighter, blusher and bronzer powders in both a matte and shimmery finish. It's cruelty free and vegan friendly brand. If you don't know this yet, Revolution Pro is run by Makeup Revolution. Obviously it's one of the sister brands. I think the product is not new. They released it in like a spring, but it's new for me, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a quick review for that. So brand new product to me, haven't opened, haven't checked. First impressions review it is. Okay, let's open this up. As you can see, I'm not wearing any contour yet, or blush or highlighter, so I really need that because now my face looks like a pancake, like a full moon. Because I have such a like chubby cheeks, so I really need a contour to make it look like, you know what I mean. Yeah, just have chubby cheeks. What can I do? I was born with that. That's something. Ooh, love the packaging, you guys. Look at that. How pretty is that? This is so pretty. It's called Crystal Luxe. I can tell why they call it Crystal Luxe, because it's literally crystals in here. It's not a print or anything. It's real crystals stuck in here. God, this is cute. I have a shade called Rose Fresco. Ooh, we have a mirror as well, and then as we say, contour, blush and highlighter in matte and in shimmer. I'm not sure if we have highlighter in matte and shimmer, because as long as I see that's a matte or shimmer, matte, shimmer, highlighter, I don't know, I need to do some swatches. Gonna start from the contour, from the matte shade. Ooh, really like a shade actually. Sorry, my hands are so dry, I should have moisturized prior to this. Okay, the highlighter shade, I mean the shimmery contour. Oh, that's pretty. I would use this as my eyeshadow blush. Really like a blush shade though. Oh, that's lovely. The shimmery side. So this is supposed to be matte. I'm not really sure how matte highlighter can work. That's interesting. The shimmery part. Like a champagne color. That is beautiful, you guys. I think without any further ado, we should just slap it on the face and see how good or bad it is. I'm a bit scared though, because I'm not too sure about the shades. I'm not too sure about the contour shade, if it's any good or no, but I guess we should try. I'm gonna use the matte one because I want to contour. I don't want to bronze it up and be, you know, shiny ball, although there's nothing wrong with that. Alright, that's not bad. The shade is actually very flattering. So as you see, I'm concentrating closer to the lash line, closer to the hairline, and then what's left on the brush, I'm kind of going more in here. So I'm contouring a bit my forehead as well, because as I said, I haven't contoured my face today at all, as you can see when I started this video. Let's do the jawline as well. Let's contour nose a little bit. I like to contour my nose. Alright, let's do a blush. So I'm gonna go with a matte shade. I'm not gonna go with a blush in here because I don't want my face to look rounder. I'm gonna go with it in there, like kind of on the top of the contour. but you can totally go on the apples of your cheeks. It depends on your face shape and all. But I find it more flattering if I had the blush in here rather than here. I can actually do a video if you want to show how different placing of contour, blush, highlighter makes your face look different. I can do half one side, like half and half, you know. If that's interesting, leave a comment down below, let me know. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a bit of a shimmer, just a tiny bit, kind of mix both, and then go higher, just a tiny bit of shimmer. That looks very natural actually. I like the way it looks. It gives us like a tiny glow, so not super intense glow. Ooh, I like it. What do you guys think? This is pretty. Right, so the last thing to do is to use some highlighter. So I'm just gonna go with a fan brush thing for that. So I'm gonna go for the shimmery part. Whoa, guys. Okay, tiny bit goes a long way, guys. Get a smaller brush and this highlighting shade, the shimmery one. Gonna go with that on the brow arch. That's you guys, the inner eye corner. Honestly, this highlight is powerful. Like, Makeup Revolution highlighters in general are the best highlighters I think I ever tried, comparing to any super expensive brand like Anastasia or anything else. Before I went cruelty free, I used to use MAC. Honestly, you guys, Makeup Revolution beats their highlighters as well. I think they have like the best and the most affordable highlighters there is. I'm gonna do keep it as well. Same brush. Just what's left on the brush, not adding more product. And we're done. What do you guys think? Alright, so what do I think about this Revolution Crystal Luxe? I really like the contour. It looks very natural. It doesn't look over top. It would be perfect for the bronzing as well, especially the shimmery part. Love the blush, love the shimmery blush as well. Love both matte and shimmery. I think it looks really pretty. Love the highlighter. I'm not too keen the shimmery part only. I'm not too keen on the matte highlighter. I just don't get it. But saying that, all these 6 shades are perfect as an eyeshadow. I would totally use all of those. So that's my opinion about it. Does it worth your money? Totally does. Love the packaging. It's really pretty because you have a real crystals in here. Like, it's not, you know, 3D print or something like that. It's real crystals. What I don't like about it, that it's not really eco-friendly. I mean, we have loads of plastic going on and so on. So not too keen on that, because recently I've just been really eco-friendly inspired and, you know, checking everything. And I've been getting more things that are eco-friendly and easier to recycle and so on, because this would be a bit tricky to recycle, I believe so. But nevertheless, beautiful palette, beautiful packaging, very nice shades. So I will be definitely using this. You'll see me using this in my future videos and in my Instagram posts, because it's such a nice palette. Like, I really like it. Really like the contour shade. Very easy to blend as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. So please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see more on my channel. Should I do more review videos, more tutorials, or positive videos in general? Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know and I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.